welcome to my channel Be Dynamic. I hope you all are great. Okay, very nice. So today I am going to discuss about the sentence and kinds of sentences. Okay, so let's get started. Dear students, today we are going to learn about sentence and types of sentences. Okay, so first of all we have to know that what is sentence. Okay, so look at my notebook carefully. What I have written: a combination of words which gives a complete meaning is called a sentence. You can see here, on the basis of the function, a sentence has the following four parts, or we call it kinds. Okay, so what are they? Number 1, declarative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. And number 4 is exclamatory sentence. Coming to the explanations in details about the number 1, declarative sentence, or we call it assertive sentence. So what is it? A sentence which declares a statement is called declarative sentence, or what I have written in the second point, it simply announces an idea. Okay, a declarative sentence simply announces an idea. Then coming to the third point, a declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, coming to the examples, see here, he bought a new laptop. It means it's a declaration that he bought a new laptop. Then coming to number 2, they are playing football. वो सब क्या कर रहे हैं? Football खेल रहे हैं. Okay, coming to the third one, he is going to school. वो कहाँ जा रहा है? School जा रहा है. It is also a declaration. Then coming to 4 number, he is studying a book. Okay, what he is doing? He is studying a book. Then coming to 5 number, she is playing with her friends. वो क्या कर रही है? वो अपनी friends के साथ खेल रही है. Okay, so she is playing with her friends. It's also a declaration. Okay, so that's why these are the called as declarative sentences. Coming to the second one, interrogative sentence. Okay, what I have written, see my notebook carefully everyone. A sentence that has a question is called interrogative sentence. So coming to the second point, it is also called a question sentence. Okay, so an interrogative sentence also called a question sentence. Then coming to the third point, an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Because of why? Because it's a question to someone. That's why we should use question mark in the last. Coming to the examples, you can see here, number 1 is how are you? It means we are asking to someone, how are you? आप कैसे हैं? Then number 2, what is your name? In here also we are asking to someone, what is your name? Then coming to third one, what is your hobby? Then fourth one, have you completed your homework? Okay, like this. So these type of sentences are called as an interrogative sentences. Coming to the third one, imperative sentence. What is it? A sentence which expresses a request, a command, or an order is called as imperative sentence. Okay, so what I have written in the second point, an imperative sentence mostly ends with a full stop. Then coming to the third point, it can also sometimes ends with an exclamation mark depending upon the emotion in the sentence. So you can see the examples here. Turn off the light. It means it's a command to someone that turn off the light. Then coming to number 2, don't waste your valuable time. So it's an advice to someone, please don't waste your valuable time. Then coming to third one, please cooperate with me. So it's a request to someone that it's a request. Okay, what is the request? Please cooperate with me. Then coming to 4 number, pass me that book please. It means it's a request also to someone that pass me that book please. So this type of sentences are called as imperative sentence. Okay, coming to the last one, exclamatory sentence. So what is it? A sentence which expresses strong emotion or feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so coming to the second point, what I have written, It describes emotion or feelings of joy, anger, sorrow, surprise, excitement, and appreciation. Then coming to the third point, an exclamatory sentence is ended with an exclamation mark. You can see here in my notebook, okay, what type of exclamation mark it is, okay. So coming to the examples, what a nice car, it means it's a surprise, it's a emotion of surprise, okay. Then coming to number 2, it's fantastic, it means, so what type of emotion it is, the emotion of excitement. Then coming to third one, how intelligent you are, so it's a emotion of surprise. Then coming to phone number, oh no, I lost my purse, so it's the emotion of sorrow, oh no, I lost my purse. Then coming to 5 number, yay, we won the match, it means it's the emotion of joy, it means yay, we won the match. So, dear students, study this table very carefully so that it can be easy for you to understand very easily, okay. So, what are the type of sentences and their function and with an example, clear? Then coming to number 1, declarative sentence, or we call it assertive sentence. So what are the function of it? It simply states something, okay. So what is the example? Ram played cricket. Then coming to number 2, interrogative sentence, okay. So what are the function of it? It asks questions, okay. So what is the example? What is that? Then coming to number 3, imperative sentence. So what is the function of it? It gives orders, commands, make request, or gives advice, okay. What is the example of it? Sit down. So it's a command to someone that sit down. Then coming to 4 number, exclamatory sentence. So what is the function of it? It expresses strong feeling. It expresses strong feelings, okay. So what is the example of it? What a lovely picture this is. It means it's a feeling of surprise that what a lovely picture this is, okay. Dear students, coming to the last part, 2 new words for today's class. So what are they? Number 1, sleepwalker, and number 2, chatterbox. So what is the meaning of sleepwalker? Sleepwalker means a person who gets out of bed and walks around while they are sleeping. They are called sleepwalker, okay. Then coming to number 2, chatterbox. What is the meaning of chatterbox? Chatterbox means a chatterbox is someone who talks a lot. They are called chatterbox, okay. Alright, thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.